Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to organize your document using navigation pane in Microsoft Word. Over here you can see I have this Microsoft Word document consisting of only 4 pages. It has a title and some headings given over here. Before using the navigation pane, you must make sure that your document consists of headings and some headings so that we could easily navigate through each of these headings. The use of navigation pane is quite handy if you have a large document consisting of hundreds of pages having equations, tables or graphics. Let me show you how navigation pane works. In order to go to navigation pane, simply click on View tab, and here in Show Group you can see we have this option Navigation pane. The tool text show that it's like a tour guide for your document. Let me check it, and there you can see a little vertical window pops up on the left of the document. Here you can see we have headings, pages and results. Results are quite handy if you are looking for some particular keyword inside your large document. Let me show you. I'm looking for this word lithium-ion batteries, abbreviated as LIB. And there you can see LIB. It is right over here in the introduction section. And if I click on this text, there you can see the second LIB option is in literature review. In this way, you can directly go to your desired text simply by writing it over here in navigation pane. And similarly, if I'm going to click on pages, then it would show where this particular word LIB exists on a page. This shows that LIB is present only in first page. Let me cross it out right from here. And the third option is heading. Simply click over here and you can see we have these headings, which is introduction, and objectives is a subheading to introduction, literature review, methodology, and so on. So inside the headings, you can navigate directly to your desired heading. For example, I want to go to expected outcome. So simply clicking over here, it would immediately take me to the document where this expected outcomes have been listed. And similarly, clicking on literature review, it would get me back to literature review. You can also reorganize these headings as well. And I think this is one of the best use of navigation pane. For example, I want literature review to be placed in the document right after methodology. Then simply highlight it like this, hold the right mouse button, and as you can see there is a black line, and when this black line goes right after methodology, then leave your mouse and there you go. Now you can see literature review is right after methodology, and this is much easier option than copying and pasting the text containing literature review right after methodology, which would make the things messy. And similarly, right over here you can see this introduction is a heading and objectives are subheading to introduction. Similarly, if you want these expected outcomes to be a subheading to a literature review, then what you can do, simply right click over here, and here you can see we have this option demote. Click over it and there you go. Now it is a subheading to literature review. Let me press Ctrl Z to undo it and show you a few more options. For example, right after literature review, I want to have a new heading inside my Microsoft Word document. Then simply right click over here, and here you can see we have this option new heading before, new heading after. So we can choose where we want a new heading to appear in our Microsoft Word document. Since I'm going to have a new heading right after literature review, so I would choose this option, new heading after. And now I can write over here the new heading. For example, this is going to be research guide. Simply press enter and there you go. This is your new heading. Now you can type whatever text you want to type over here. And similarly, you can also delete it right from here like this. The other option that you see over here is promote. It can actually make subheadings a heading. For example, over here you can see we have this option objectives, which is a subheading, and I want to make it headings itself. Then I would right click over here and click on promote, and there you go. Now it is itself a heading and not a subheading to introduction. There are some other beautiful options inside navigation pane as well. So right over here you can see we have this a little downward arrow. Click over it and you see we have advanced find, replace, go to, graphics, etc. For example, you are looking for some equation inside the document, then simply clicking on equations would take you to all the equations inside the document. And so is the case with the tables as well as the figures. I've made a separate video for replace and advanced find, which you can follow in the description of this particular video. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.